The BT Reflex range of reach trucks with extreme fit, exactly configured to exceed expectations. BT Reflex B Series, simply effective. Designed for uncomplicated and straightforward applications. BT Reflex R Series, exceptional at height. High-performance reach trucks for high productivity levels without compromising safety. BT Reflex E Series, ultimate performance in high-intensity applications with exceptional levels of safety and productivity. BT Reflex N Series, designed to fit in applications with narrow aisles, drive-in racking and block stacking. BT Reflex O Series, smooth performance on rough surfaces, both indoor and outdoor, with all-weather cab options. BT Reflex F Series, making complex loads easy. Four-way reach trucks for handling of long loads in confined spaces. COLDSTORE and COLDSTORE cab, available on R, E and N series, allowing efficient operations in temperatures to -30 degrees. Configure your BT Reflex with the right features and options to optimize your application for an extreme fit, for right lift height, energy, controls, capacity and performance. Prepare to maximize your driving experience with programmable performance. The pin code start ensures it's you behind the wheel. You want to feel safe even at high travel speed. The 360-degree steering ensures you safe driving and an excellent all-round visibility, increasing your safety and productivity. The E-bar is a universal mount for effective integrations with warehouse management systems and devices such as onboard computers and barcode readers. The patented and unique transitional lift control system ensures you smooth, shock-free lifting and lowering, even at maximum speed. And when choosing a tilting cab, you are increasing visibility, handling accuracy and efficiency, as well as reducing driver strain. Choose a duplex or triplex mast for your required lift height. The optional height pre-selector makes it easy to position the forks and improves productivity. And the high-definition camera gives you extra visibility and control. While working at full potential, the BT Reflex trucks are energy conscious and come with a wide range of battery capacities. Battery change solutions are available for intensive applications and double shift operations, so that you can work around the clock. To maximize your comfort, BT Reflex is designed to adapt perfectly. The adjustable seat, steering and control console creates the perfect driving position for each operator. Suit the preference of the driver, with choice of lever or joystick controls. Get smart access with an intelligent card reader using existing ID cards, and the pre-operational check requires your driver to check the condition of the machine before starting operation. Toyota EyeSight gives you the full picture of your material handling. It is the perfect tool to understand vehicle status, driver performance and overall productivity in your operations. With capacities ranging from 1,200 to 2,700 kilograms, there is always a BT Reflex to suit your needs. Optimize your BT Reflex with features that give you endless possibilities. Exceed your expectations with BT Reflex range of reach trucks.